Check mic. Hello. Hello, check mic. All right. So, good evening po sa lahat. I hope you can hear me okay. So, welcome po sa lahat, okay, for this financial literacy class. So, this is our book study session from this book, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future, Become Your Own Financial Educator. So, pakilala muna ako. So, I'll be your financial educator for this evening, for this session. So I'm one of the financial educators here in IMG, and I am an investor, mutual fund investor, an entrepreneur, and a full-time financial literacy advocate since last year. Okay, so I joined IMG way back 2016. This was my part-time advocacy because back then I have a job as a electrical design and engineer, and when I found out that there are more aspects in financial education that are very helpful, and the mission of IMG is very helpful, so I decided to really go full time here in IMG. Okay, so International Marketing Group is a community of savers and investors. So meaning, if you become one of an IMG member, you become a saver and investor as well. Okay, because most of the time our actions, our habits are influenced or inspired by our community, diba? If we are part of a community that is into uh, planting or like that, so mahilig din tayo sa plants or like that. So here in IMG, we are savers and investors. Okay, and our mission is to really uh, spread financial education. Okay, spread the right information, because what we do here is we execute the lessons that we learn. Okay, the the concepts that we learn here, that we teach here, we do it. Okay, so every IMJ member that you meet, they do what they preach. They practice what they preach. So that's all about IMG. Okay, so we have this campaign. This is our global campaign. Okay, meaning this is not only here in the Philippines. It has gone global. No, 80 countries around the world. Okay, so the 30M by 30 financial literacy campaign. That is our commitment to empower 30 million families. Okay, financially educated by the year 2030. And I congratulate you because you're here. You're part of it. Okay, you're part of history. Okay, go back to the person who invited you and let him or her register your name officially to this campaign counter. All right, because this is a massive financial revolution. Okay, on a massive scale. Okay, so together with us in this campaign are I call the mentors. No? We have mentors, successful people who have been there, who have been on the top, and they want to help us. Right? This is Sir Joanne, Sir Noel, and Sir Bart, together with Brother Bo. Oh, kilala natin si Brother Bo, uh, a, a very prominent individual as well in the Philippines. No? Kilala natin siya. And ito din, yung mga fellow volunteers namin or natin dito sa IMG. Si Miss Corina Sanchez, who volunteers to be a financial literacy advocate, and Miss Sharon Cuneta, who is our ambassadress for our partner company, healthcare provider Kaiser International, right? And Tito Boy Abunda, who is our ambassador for our partner company as well for life insurance, the Manila Bankers. Okay, so successful mentors and fellow volunteers. So together with us in delivering financial education to a lot of Filipinos. Okay, and hindi lang sila parang kinuha ni IMG to model or to be part of us. They volunteered, no? They become one of IMG, become members of IMG to volunteer to help spread the financial literacy campaign, right? So here it says here we have a mission to make a difference, and we have this book because we want to empower a lot of Filipinos using a very, very useful book. No? Sabi dito ni Brother Bo, friend, this book is your ticket to upgrading your financial life. Read it, devour it, and share it with people who needs a financial revolution in their life. Okay? So I think that's very powerful. No? And sabi dyan sa book, okay, financial education is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. Okay, do you agree? Right. So everyone deserves to know the right information. Okay, and this book is dedicated to every person who wants to take charge of his or her financial future. So kayo yan, tayo yan, di ba? So I congratulate you in advance because tonight I'll be sharing to you what I've learned, no, many years back when I joined IMG. Okay, so sabi dito sa book, no, I got this from the book itself. No, this is a reality. When it comes to saving and when it comes to securing and saving their future, many good people fail, many hardworking people fail, many smart people fail, many young people fail, and many old people fail. Many teachers fail, many engineers and doctors fail, many end up retiring without enough savings. Diba? Marami tayong kilala, di ba? These people don't set out to fail. They do because they fail to plan and manage their personal finances. Di ba? That's a reality. No? And everywhere, siguro marami tayong makikita no, na ganito. No? Even professionals no, fail in their finances. Okay? And second, reality na nandito sa book, okay? Many overseas Filipino workers or OFWs, no, work hard, okay, for years and still end up retiring poor, di ba? Marami tayong mga balita or mga stories na narinig, no? OFWs are heroes who sacrifice a lot just to be able to send money and gifts to their families back home, di ba? If may kilala kayong OFW or OFW yung parents mo, yung mga kamag-anak mo, you can relate to this, di ba? In many cases, the families take for granted just how hard it is for an OFW to earn the money they remit, no, they send back home. The families do not know that many of OFWs send balikbayan boxes filled with brand new clothes and shoes that they themselves do not have. 'Di ba? Napaka tindi, no? Uh, relate ako kasi yung mother ko at saka yung sister ko uh, nag OFW din, no? Kasi nung few years back mahirap yung kalagayan namin kasi marami kaming nag-college, no? So, para matustusan yung pang-college, so nag-OFW. And true enough, ito nga, no? They send back many balikbayan boxes, no? Filled with clothes, mga canned goods, para lang kami makatikim ng mga uh, products doon, no? Sa country na pinagtrabahoan nila. And true enough, sila nagtitipid doon, no? Para lang may padala, 'di ba? So sad reality. Ba't nangyayari 'yan, 'di ba? And third reality is ito. You also hear stories of OFWs investing in businesses for their families in the Philippines to manage. For example, provide money to set up transportation businesses, like car or a jeepney, taxi or jeepney. When it's time to replace the tires of the vehicle, the business cannot pay for itself, for it. No? The family instead depends on the OFW to pay for the tires. No? Sa kanya na ang kapital, sa kanya pa rin ang gastos. No? So it is a reality that many OFWs who work for 20 to 30 years still end up retiring poor. Kasi they just work to provide, no? Bakit kaya, no? Sabi sa book, they lack financial education. Kaya si IMG is really fighting, having this urgent need to have financial education. Okay? Kaya nandito kayo ngayon, invite kayo sa friend mo, para maturuan tayo ng tamang kaalaman about how to handle money, right? Or personal finance, right? So another thing is a large number of Filipinos will face increasing challenges in 4 major areas, no? Ang daming challenges, okay? And one of these is the uncertain labor market, okay? Ang dami ng mga instances, no? Na ang Pinoy isang ano lang, source of income lang yung alam, yung trabaho lang. Pag nagsara yung company, automatic mawawala ng hanap buhay, di ba? And magsasuffer ang family, di ba? That's why we really need to find a solution, to find an alternative instrument, no? Or solution talaga na para maiwasan natin ito. Okay? And more so, a lot of companies right now are investing in what we call the automation. Kaya some of our Filipino friends are still will struggle actually kasi mapalitan na ng mga machines yung trabaho nila, di ba? So uncertain talaga, right? And the next challenge will be the low savings and high debt. Tayong mga Pinoy, hilig tayo sa utang, no? Yan yung culture natin. If wala kang utang, hindi ka talaga Pinoy, no? So but it's a sad reality na we need to change. We need to change that mindset na from having ang utang, dapat i-eliminate natin yung utang at magkaroon tayo ng savings. At we should find a way how to save the right way. Kasi maybe ito lang yung kulang. Maybe we don't know a real solution on how to save the right way. Okay, and how to eliminate debt as soon as possible. Okay, so that's why we are in a community here in IMG to inspire everyone to really make a change in their finances or personal finance, right? And third is ito, high cost of education. We should find a solution to uh, make our money grow, no, accumulate as time goes by, no, because we should not resort to utang when it comes to paying the what we call the educational fund or the college educational fund for our children, di ba? So habang bata pa sila ngayon, we should find a way to save and invest para mag-accumulate or tutubo yung pera, no? So later i-discuss natin what's the real solution. Ano ba talagang mas mainam na solusyon, mas magaling na solusyon, right? And next is the increasing cost of living. Ang dami nating mga what they call scenarios even siguro sa ibang bansa, no, na itong pagtataas ng presyo ng bilihin, parang naging normal na. Yung solusyon natin palagi na lang is reklamo, no? Ang taas ng presyo ng baboy, ng presyo ng per kilo ng baboy ngayon, di ba? Bakit? How about we find a solution to really beat inflation, yung tinatawag na inflation? Kasi inflation, most of the time, basing on the survey, half of the Filipinos, or even more than half, doesn't know the effects of inflation in their money, in their hard-earned money, di ba? So we should identify that this is a challenge and we should find a solution, right? So that's why we have a right information, we have the right platform and the right community, because we need to find an ultimate solution, and financial education is really important. Okay, so it says here in the book, control your future because it's in your hands. Wala yan sa employer, wala yan sa bangko mo, wala yan sa broker or sa mga ibang tao. Nasa sa atin lang, because we know what we want, we know what our financial needs are. Okay, and we should know how to become our own money manager. Okay, learn and do what the wealthy know and do. Okay, and here in IMG, we give you information so that we could learn how to make active income, as well as combine it with passive income. Yung parang nagtatrabaho ka ngayon, di ba? Meron kang kaagapay, meron kang katuwang, meron kang helper na nag-earn din ng money. Okay? Dapat i-ano natin yan. Okay, so there are 3 stages in life, or 3 financial stages sa buhay ng tao. First is man at work. You're actively earning active income, no? And dapat man and money at work. So dapat dalawa kayo, okay? Para active plus passive income. Kasi time will come na hindi na tayo makapagtrabaho kasi mag-retire na tayo. Dapat money at work na, or passive income. Okay? That's what we do here in IMG. We teach everyone the concepts, and we teach everyone the strategies, and we help them execute. Okay? So that's a total financial solution talaga, right? So first concept na I want to share with you is this, the X-curve concept. Itong X-curve concept is the concept that theorizes that a person's responsibilities generally decreases and wealth increase over time. Okay? From younger to older. Di ba? May responsibility tayo. Financial responsibility sa family natin. Di ba? Mataas yan habang bata pa tayo. Kasi kaka-start up lang natin, and equally important, dapat ma-recognize din natin na while we are starting, during the younger years, wala pa tayong enough money, di ba? Less secure, di ba? Do you agree? Less secure kasi yung money natin, pangtustos lang sa needs and wants sa family natin during this time. Okay? And what if, no? What if we die too soon? That's a question that we need to ask. Kasi wala namang taong may control or may hawak dito, di ba? Wala, no? Hindi natin alam, no? What if we die too soon? Wala pa tayong pangtustos. Who will take care of our family? Okay? Wala pa tayong millions to leave to our family. So that's the solution there, insurance. So by knowing this, back then I was very what we call allergic to the word life insurance. But when I came to realize from this concept na ito, si life insurance pala is ally natin, yung when something happens to us, si life insurance is a big sum of money, no, na maiiwan natin sa family natin para makapag-continue sila sa buhay nila. Di ba? You're taking care of your family even when you're gone. So that's how important to understand na dapat mayroon tayong ganito, right? For our family. Then, as we grow older, no, from younger to older, nakita natin dyan, yung wealth curve natin tumataas. So, Habang tataas yan, inversely proportional or baliktad din. Habang tumataas yung wealth curve, bababa yan yung responsibility. Okay? Kasi marami ka ng pera dito. More secure ka na kasi nakapag-save up ka. So, what if you live too long, no? When you retire, bigyan ka pa ng another 20 years. So that's a challenge as well, di ba? What if you live too long? So, ang kasagutan dyan is investments and long-term care. So, ito pala yung concept na talagang napakasimple na through our timeline, ito pala yung mga questions na dapat nating i-ask or itanong sa sarili natin. Okay? If we die too soon, who will take care of our family? And if we live too long, who will take care of us? Diba? So those are the solutions. Life insurance, if we die too soon, investments and long-term care if we live too long. Right? So second concept, understanding the rule of 72. Okay? So I hope klaro yung X-curve concept. Okay? Napakasimple lang yung concept na pinag-usapan natin ngayon. The second concept is this rule of 72 or the rule of compounding interest. An easy compound interest calculation to estimate how many years it will take to double your money, our money, diba? So 72, that's a constant, diba? 72, the number that is constant there is 72. And i-divide lang natin ng interest rate. Ang sagot dyan is years to double the money. So dapat pala may interest rate, okay? And may years. So when we think about growing money, ito ang mga components na dapat present. We should be aware of interest rate plus time, okay, in years. Okay, I repeat, in years, not months. Kasi pag may nagbigay sa iyo ng months dyan, I don't know, no? We really don't know if that's really good for you, because it says here it's just 72 divided by interest rate in years, no? So if we have this interest rate 2%, 4%, 6%, 8%, and 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. So diyan makikita natin yung mga interest rate na yan sa market ngayon, di ba? So if we have a 2% interest rate on our investment, so 36 years pala magdodoble yung money natin, right? So very simple, di ba? 72 divided by 2 is 36 years. So proceed to 4%, so 72 divided by 4 is 18 years. So whatever money you have right now, if you put it in a 4% interest rate, magdodoble pala every 18 years. 1,000 mo, i-invest mo sa 4%, after 18 years, mag 2,000 yan. Yan yung simple explanation. And going up, if 6% yung interest rate, so 72 divided by 6 is 12 years. So parang, if you see, tumataas yung interest rate, napabilis yung pag-compound ng money. 8%, 9 years kasi 72 divided by 8 is 9, di ba? How about 12? So 72 divided by 12 is 6 years. So makikita natin, very simply, how to really double your money just by using an interest rate that is very available for us in the market. So we just need to know the interest rate para malaman natin kailan magdodoble yung money natin. Okay? Very simple. Bakit tayo mag-invest? Bakit may ganitong rule? Para maiwasan yung tinatawag na inflation rate. So right now, in the past 3 months, 5% yung average inflation rate. No? According yan sa Philippine statistics, 5% average yung inflation rate. So if we are investing lower than 5%, then lugi tayo. Lugi yung pera, di ba? Kakainin lang yung pera sa inflation. That's why, sinasabi ko na may survey na a lot of Filipinos don't know about this. Okay? So dapat pala, if we are to ask, saan ba talaga maganda mag-invest? Interest rate on investments that have interest rate higher than inflation, 6 to 12%. No? Para may kikitain ka. Okay, let's put it in a perspective, no? Example here. So 72 divided by 4, gamitin natin yung 4, may sample tayo na money. At age 29, nakapag-ipon siya ng 100,000. Yan lang yung initial effort, no? And sabi dito sa rule of 72, 18 years magdo-double yung money if at 4%, no? So 29 plus 18 is 47. If we take a look, 100,000 naging 200,000. 47 plus another 18 years is 65. Yung 200,000 naging 400,000. So very simple, nagdodoble yung money if we just use the compounding interest. So what if dodoblehin natin lang yung 4%, naging 8%. So equally or conversely, maging half din yung pagdoble ng money. Meaning 18 years, i-half natin 9 years. 9 years magdodoble yung money. So same example, to age 29 may 100,000, naging 200,000 after 9 years, 'di ba? 29 plus 9 is 38, naging 200,000. And another 9 years, 47, yung 200,000 naging 400,000. Plus another 9 years, yung 47, yung 400,000 naging 800,000 pagdating ng 56. Plus another 9 years, yung 800,000 naging 1.6, nagdoble, no? At the age of 65. What if there's another investment vehicle, no? So tingnan natin, every 6 years nagdodoble yan, no? So the thing here is ito. Yung 100,000, yan lang yung effort niya. Yan lang yung parang pinag-ipunan talaga niya, okay, para makarating siya ng 100,000. Nung in-apply na niya yung rule of 72, nag-compound na yung pera without him, no? That's money working for us, no? So meaning active ito, 'di ba? Ang the next mga compound diyan, yung pera natin, passive na yan. 'Di ba? Wala kang ginagawa, 'di ba? All you need to do is ang ginawa na lang natin is nag-save tayo ng 100,000, 'di ba? Active, no? Kasi may sweldo tayo, may income, may bonus, o inipon natin, naging 100,000. Yan yung active, di ba? Ang kasunod is passive na yan. So ito pala, money working for us. While we are working hard for money, may katuwang, may partner tayo. Ito na yun, si rule of 72. Di ba? And if we take a look, no, sa difference nila, 4 times yung pag-compound ng money if dinoble natin yung interest rate. Pero pag triniple natin, what do you expect, no? So 4 times 2, naging 8%. Pero i-triple natin, 4 times 3 is 12%. So money at 12% doubles every 6 years. So magkano pala ang pag-compound ito? 16 times over. Napaka galing, no? If you just know about a investment vehicle na may ganito interest rate, i-apply mo yung rule of 72, then you will see that your money can compound, no? For you, money working for you, right? So that's the secret of the wealthy. Okay? Ito lang yung alam nila. Paulit-ulit nila itong ginagamit sa mga businesses nila, di ba? That's why they are so wealthy. And wala namang sikreto kasi ito publicly available itong information. Wala lang nagtuturo. Kasi ang tinuturo sa atin, science, Filipino, ganong mga English, di ba? Kaya napaka natin sa English. Pero about pera, wala, di ba? That's why IMG is here, very keen to really give this information to the public. Okay? So third, okay, I hope may natutunan kayo ng konti-konti doon, di ba? The third is ito. Ito pala yung how to build a solid financial foundation. Like building a house, one must build a strong and solid financial foundation from the ground up. So starting from healthcare. Kaya itong solid financial foundation, if nakikita nyo dyan sa front cover ng book, nandyan yan. Yan yung focus talaga. Yan yung aim. Di ba? Ito pala yung priorities natin na dapat nating pagtutunan ng pansin. No? Kasi most of the time, ang daming nating mga distractions all around us na hindi na natin pinagtuunan ng pansin. Yung essential, ito yung importante. di ba? The solid financial foundation, starting with healthcare. Okay, because healthcare is what we need, no? Para when is magkasakit tayo, isang illness or isang sickness naman dyan, may pangbayad tayo, may healthcare policy or fund na ipangbayad. Hindi tayo mag-uutang, di ba? So yung healthcare is pinaka-base sa foundation because health is wealth. Kahit gaano karami yung kinikita mo pero nag-bag down yung health mo, di ba? Ma-wipe out din, no? So dapat healthcare. May healthcare fund. Okay? Short term at long term. I-discuss ko later bakit may short term at long term. Okay? And next is income protection. That's how you protect your family, di ba? Kita natin sa X-curve kanina. Income protection. I-protect mo pala yung income mo kasi tayo as a breadwinner, walang makapagpalit sa atin, di ba? Nag-iisa lang tayo. Pero yung income natin pwede palitan, pwede i-protectionan. Di ba? Because nagdedepende yung family sa income natin, di ba? Breadwinners tayo. So, dapat may big sum of money na nakalaan para just in case something happens to us, pwede na ito yung i-abilin sa families, di ba? And debt management, iwasan or i-eliminate yung utang. Kasi yung utang is parang yung disease, di ba? It will eat up your happiness, di ba? It will limit your freedom. No? Palagi na ka na lang mamaya na kasi may utang. Si utang yung nag parang dragging you down, no? So eliminate this as soon as possible. Okay? And emergency fund, dapat may emergency fund para to provide kung may emergencies, no? In life, there are many emergencies na bigla na lang darating, di ba? So most of us, pag may emergency loan, utang na naman, di ba? But here in IMG, we teach everyone na simple lang yan, pag-ipunan mo lang yan, 3 to 6 months of your monthly income or expenses. Para just in case may emergencies tulad ng pandemic, di ba? Lockdown. Ano yung mangyayari if you have no emergency fund, di ba? Magugutom ka, di ba? So dapat mayroong emergency fund. And lastly, investments na, di ba? Itong investments is for long term, hindi ito para bukas na, di ba? So dapat i-apply natin yung natutunan natin sa rule of 72, no? May time. So mamaya pag i-focus natin kung paano ba i-build yung investments, no? So ito pala yung solid financial foundation. Okay? Each building block is very important and we should build it properly, the right way. Okay? So like building a house, one must build a strong and solid financial foundation from the ground up. Right? So ito na. Kanina, concept lang yun, di ba? Ilang concepts ba diniscuss natin? 3 lang, di ba? Ito, ipakita natin na yung concepts na yun, pwede natin i-apply dito. Right? So different investment vehicles na pwede natin i-apply yung concepts na na-discuss. So first, do you know about stock market and mutual funds? So when speaking of stock market and mutual funds, dito pala sa first portion, sa investment pala ito, pwede natin i-apply. So if nakita natin ngayon na yung solid financial foundation, no? So himay-himay natin, no? From the roof, kung anong according ano yung pwede natin i-apply sa mga concepts doon, di ba? So savings alone is not enough, okay? You need a high interest for your money to grow to offset taxes and outpace inflation. So ito pala, okay? So currently, interest in savings account is too low, 1% or below. So if nakita nyo kanina yung the rule of 72, na ang haba ng time if 1% lang, di ba? Kakainin talaga ng inflation. So people will face the risk of living a longer life without adequate income. So that's why itong mutual funds bagay na bagay sa atin. Okay? Ano pala ang mutual funds? Okay? Para maintindihan natin, so si mutual fund pala is isang mutual investment company, before siya magkaroon ng investors, okay, dumadaan pala siya sa rigid na mga what we call regulation, no? According sa Republic Act 2629 or the Investment Company Act, 1960s pa ito na batas. So may batas pala to encourage everyone to invest in the stock market. So mayroon palang batas, at si SEC yung tagapamahala, siya yung taga-regulate, no? Siya yung pamahalaan or authority to register, to parang bigyan niya ng regulation, no? Mga requirements, okay, para mapangalagaan din yung kapakanan or welfare ng mga investors, tayo, public. That's why SEC is there. Registration and licensing, siya yung bahala, okay? And madalas, mga Pinoy masi-scam kasi SEC registration lang yung alam, di ba? Hindi nila alam na may Investment Company Act, no? So para maging legitimate na investment company, dapat pala may license according sa Investment Company Act, hindi lang SEC registration. Right? So IPO means initial public offering, no? Para makapag-invest si public sa company, mga big companies, i-channel ito through initial public offering. Ito yung first market, no? Pag na-offer na ni public ni company, ang company niya from private to public, diyan na tayo papasok through mutual fund, no? Indirect investing, okay? So dito na papasok yung mga investors, may individual, may maraming investors, type of investors, may bangko, no? May community, may co-op, may tinatawag na government institution like SSS, no? Dito sila nag-invest sa mutual fund. 'Di ba? And saan nila invest? Dito sa big companies. So if you observe, itong mga names na ito is napakalaki, 'di ba? SM, San Miguel, Ayala Land, PLDT, Jollibee, ang dami, 'di ba? So if you invest in mutual funds, you own shares of this company. Yeah? And if nag-shopping ka sa SM, meaning if you invest in mutual fund, part owner ka sa SM. If you are eating in Jollibee together with your family, part owner ka pala sa Jollibee. Okay? Yan yung kagandahan if you invest in mutual fund and it's for long term. Diba? And this allows an 8 to 12% growth per annum. So meaning if nag-grow yung companies na to, diba? Yung pera na natin mag-grow 8 to 12%. So meaning if napansin natin 8 to 12% is higher than inflation rate. So suwak na suwak, no? Outpace inflation yung purpose natin. Ito na yun, di ba? And it allows us to earn what the wealthy are earning. So dito pala nag-invest yung mga wealthy. Di ba? Yung families nila, bakit ang wealthy, di ba? Kasi they are invested in the stock market. They're invested in mutual fund. Ito yun, right? So there are a lot of benefits in investing in mutual funds, no? Professional management, no? May fund managers talaga na tumutok diyan, no? Hindi na kailangan mo maging bihasa pa sa stock market. Meron sila, no? And potentially high returns kasi yun nga, yung pera natin sa mutual fund, marami tayo, di ba? May maraming investors, pinagsama-sama yung pera natin, no? That's why maging malaki yan. So yan yung makabili siya ng maraming mga assets, okay? And low capital requirement, very affordable, as low as 100 pesos, pwede ka nang makapag-invest. 1,000 pesos, pwede ka nang mag-invest sa stock market through mutual fund, di ba? And if you're an IMG member, a minimum of 500 pesos yung additional investment or i-top up mo, di ba? And funds are invested broadly across a different number of investments. So instant diversified, no? To reduce risk and maximize earning potential. Yan yung kagandahan ni mutual fund. Hindi lang isa, no? Maraming companies pinag-investan sa pera natin. Okay? And safety and transparency kasi yung nga highly regulated yung mutual fund sa SEC, and transparent kasi merong mga fund fact sheet, no? Yung parang report na nandun talaga lahat yung fund value, fund saan ba nilagay, ano ba yung performance. So kasi every investor is entitled to know where the funds are invested. Okay? And ito, napaganda, tax exempt. Okay? I repeat, gains realized by investors upon redemption of their shares in mutual fund have been excluded from the definition of gross income, therefore not subject to personal income tax. No? May batas according sa Tax Reform Act of 1997. So tax exempt. So meaning, nakapag-outpace ka na sa inflation, tax exempt pa. Di ba? So this is the good way para maano natin yung pera natin. Okay? And now, di ba? What is the real purpose of emergency fund? So kanina, ito yung napag-usapan natin sa Solid Financial Foundation, no? To prepare for life little disasters, no? Set up an emergency fund to help pay the unforeseen expenses, di ba? Set aside at least 3 to 6 months of your monthly expenses or income. Diba? Yan yung purpose. Okay? And next, no, hinihimay natin investment, emergency fund. Ngayon, utang, no? How to manage utang, no? Meron tayong mga workshop uh, to give you extensive training on how to effectively eliminate utang, no? May snowball effect, may debt roll-up. So if you want to really eliminate your debt and be serious about it, join our workshops, no? Join IMG. Libreng workshop dito. Matutunan mo talaga paano ma-eliminate yung utang effectively, ha? Kasi may process yan, hindi yan ganun kadali. May process yan. And yan yung maganda dito sa community, no? We inspire everyone na if you have utang and you want to be utang free, then join the community and you'll be utang free in no time, because ang dami nating mga kasamahan dito na lubog sa utang before and now, no? They are utang free, no? So that's how powerful if you are in a community of savers and investors. Okay? And ito, what's next? Protection. Okay? What is the real purpose of life insurance? So ito lang, question, what if you die too soon? Who will take care of your family? Diba? So dapat may protection talaga. Okay? And lastly, diyan sa Solid Financial Foundation natin, healthcare. Okay? Healthcare yung pinaka-base, because you're the most important asset sa family mo. And before you protect them, you should protect yourself first, diba? And the most common cause of bankruptcy is healthcare related or medical expense, diba? In the Philippines, a lot of sick people die not because there's no medicine or treatment available, but because they don't have money to pay for healthcare costs, diba? A sad reality, but we should face it. We should face it with the right solution. Okay? And the right solution is here. Okay? And before the right solution, dapat malaman natin na may 3 types of healthcare pala. Short term, 'di ba? Yung pinag-usapan natin kanina sa healthcare, short term senior care at long term healthcare. So yung short term is yung traditional HMO, no? Walang life insurance, yearly increase of premium upon renewal, no? Renewal is not guaranteed, no return of premiums. Ito yung short-term healthcare sa company natin, di ba? Ito yun, traditional HMO. Ang itong senior care works similarly as the short-term coverage, except it covers age beyond 60. Kasi for senior, di ba? Pero ito lang, the most expensive program. Pag senior na tayo, may kilala tayong senior, expected na retired na sila or separated na sa company, di ba? So wala nang short term kasi itong short term hindi mo ito madadala, no? Short term healthcare sa company mo, hindi ito madadala mo. So yung senior care, may pag-asa pa sila pero expensive lang. But the even advantageous is this: we have long-term healthcare. Habang bata pa tayo, kukuha tayo ng long-term healthcare para during our old age, may pera na. Hindi na tayo babayad ng napakamahal kasi pinaghandaan natin while we are very young. Okay? HMO with health savings account, usually 7 years and matures in 20 years. And renewal is guaranteed. And ito ang maganda, all unused health fund accumulates with interest. Okay? And may cover beyond age 60. So ito yung solution. Okay? Kasi in building a solid financial foundation, dapat ma-address natin yung 3 major financial needs. Ano ba ito? Ang 3 major financial needs is healthcare, life insurance, and investment. Okay? Kasi ito lang, what if we die too soon? Yun nga, life insurance yung solution. What if we live too long? Investment and long-term care yung solution. So ito, what if there's a solution to address the 3 major financial needs? Ito, matutukan natin ito. Yan yung 3 major financial needs na pinag-usapan natin. Di ba? And what if there's a solution? Ito na yung solution, the Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder Program. Ito yung from our partner company Kaiser, okay? And ang kagandahan nito is 7 years ka lang mag-save, no? At makakuha ka ng mag-mature yung plan at the 20th year, di ba? Napakaganda, no? K100 yung name sa plan at 58,000 yung monthly installment, annual installment. Meaning, if you go to annual, magagamit mo na yung healthcare benefits kaagad, no? Pag annual ka. Pero pag monthly ka, mababayan mo pa until 1 year, 12 months kang babayad, pero at least may covered ka at the end of that 12 months ng pagbabayad. So, go for annual kasi makasave up ka ng 2 months, no? Meaning, sa 7 years, if nag-annual ka, 2 times 7, 14 months pala ma-save up mo. So yan yung maganda if you go for annual. Okay? And during this accumulation period, may healthcare benefits ka according sa plan. And ito yung maganda. Ito yung i-focus ko. Waiver of installment due to death or credit life. What if something happens to us during the first year or second year? Waiver means fully paid yung plan mo tapos mapasa sa beneficiary. Yan yung maganda. At si beneficiary na yung mag-antay, no, sa maturity day para siya yung mag-collect sa healthcare funds, di ba? Napakagaling. And 7, waiver of installment and premiums due to total and permanent disability. What if hindi namatay pero na totally or permanently disabled? Ma-waive din yung installment, no? At mag-antay lang siya ng the 20th year para to claim the proceeds, di ba? And ito, term life insurance coverage, no? Sa 20 years na yan, no? Kasi 7 years ka nagbayad and mag-mature siya sa 20th year, covered ka ng term life insurance. For this plan, worth 450,000 yung coverage mo. And if accident yung cause, additional 450,000, meaning 900,000 yung may pasa mo sa family mo or sa beneficiary, di ba? And sila pa yung magpatuloy sa makatanggap sa maturity fund value, di ba? Napakagaling, no? So 3 major financial needs: healthcare, may life insurance, at saka investment in the 20th year, di ba? So what happens after the 7th year? No? So mag-accumulate na yan, no? This is the accumulation extended period, meaning dito na yung mag-antay ka na lang, waiting period ito. Okay? And may healthcare benefits din. Okay? And ito yung maganda. If hindi natin nagamit sa first 7 years, no, yung plan, kasi ang purpose talaga nito is for older years, di ba? Huwag mong isipin na pag meron ka ng plan nito, gusto mong gamitin, sino naman gusto magkasakit or ma-hospitalize, di ba? Wala naman, di ba? So if you haven't used the fund or the program, the savings program, hindi mo nakunan, no? First 7 years, may automatic bonus ka dito. Long-term care bonus worth 350,000. So ang binayad mo 411, di ba? 1,000. Pero kasi naging healthy ka, hindi mo nagamit sa first 7 years, pagdating ng 20th year, may bonus ka. So that's why naging 1.166 million yan, yung maturity value, no, with bonus, di ba? And during this time, sa sample natin, 22 nag-start. So at the age of 42, that's the maturity year, the 20th year. Pero 42 is very live and kicking pa, di ba? What if antay lang natin, no? Just leave it there. Actually, you have the option to withdraw everything and maputol na yung plan. Pero ang recommended is hindi pa kailangan kasi healthy ka pa, may trabaho ka pa, 'di ba? 42, no? If this is the scenario, what if pabutin mo ng 60 years old at saka diyan mo pa kunin, di ba? 6.4 million. So napaka laking pera na, no? Tumubo siya, no? 6.4. And what if yung monthly ano lang, monthly pangailangan mo is na around 50,000, then dito ka na, 648,000 yearly or annual lifetime healthcare, 648 meaning around 54,000 monthly, di ba? So kinuha mo lang yung interest, nandyan na yung pera, 6.4 million, kinuha mo lang yung interest, 10%, no? 6.4 million, 10% of that is 648,000. Living on interest ka na. So what if pinabot mo ng 65, di ba? Another 5 years, tumubo siya ng 10.4. So meaning you have an annual healthcare benefit of healthcare 1 million. So 10% of 10.4 is 1.04 million. So meaning around 80,000, 87,000 monthly. So how good is that, di ba? May pera ka na working for you, money working for you. Nandyan lang yung pera pero kinuha mo yung interest, you're living on interest, di ba? So that's a very innovative solution na ginawa sa ating partner company. So let your inviter explain to you paano talaga napakasimple yung pag-avail nito, no? So the more na maging IMG member ka, you have access to all of the information about these products and pwede mo ma-share sa family mo, di ba? So meron tayong entrepreneurship, no, here in IMG. Okay, once you become an IMG member, you enjoy 48 exclusive membership benefit. Okay, including na doon yung mga workshop. Okay, yung automatic mutual fund account on your name if you become IMG member, at marami pa, no. So i-discuss mo to together with your inviter, your friend. Okay, because 48 of those could really upgrade your financial life, right? And ito pa, if you are an IMG member na, dito ka na, may online portal ka na. You have online access to everything, right? May tools ka, dito mo makita yung mga benefits mo, right? Para kang may online, parang online na tinatawag na outlet, no? Business outlet, ito na yun, right? And you have an access to these established companies. Ito yung mga partner companies natin. Okay? If you need healthcare, meron si Kaiser. Okay? Yung gusto ko mo ng eyeglasses, De Los Reyes Optical. When it comes to life insurance, Manila Bankers. Okay? Yan yung partner company natin, may Fidelity Life. Okay? Investments, si Rumber. So, ang dami nating mga partners dito na pwede natin ma-access. Okay? Meaning, instead na maghanap ka pa ng ibang companies dyan para sa financial need mo, ito na. Ang napaganda is pwede mo itong, once you become an associate member, pwede kang maka-represent sa mga companies ito kasi partner ni IMG ito, di ba? If you become an associate, maging partner ka na ni IMG, pwede mo itong maka-represent ka na sa mga partner companies, di ba? Napaka good talaga na mga benefit ni IMG. Okay? And two simple ways lang. Okay? Become basic member and associate. Okay? Anong difference? Aside sa cost na pag-join mo, ito, you become licensed and accredited to IMG. Okay? 50,000 burial benefit and death benefit, 100,000 accident benefit, automatic again when your membership is approved. Then, mutual fund account on your name, plus unlimited financial education training and classes if you become basic member. Pero ito, if you want a more superior benefit, become an associate. No, you join. Okay, at a cost of 6,000. Okay, and you own. No, may K100 Kaiser savings plan ka, yung diniscuss natin kanina. So naging basic member ka at you start your own savings program, Kaiser. So that's why it's 12382. Join, own, and once you join and own, you become an associate. Ito na yung ano mo, uh, benefit mo, 500,000 burial and death benefit, 1 million accident insurance benefit, automatic mutual fund account on your account, on your online account, di ba? Financial education training classes, and 4-in-1 package long-term healthcare by Kaiser, yung sinasabi natin kanina. And napakaganda is financial broker business potential. So meaning, ang na-discuss natin kanina na mga members, mga partner companies, pwede ka nang maging broker, no? Financial broker when you become an associate. Okay? And napakasimple lang yung business platform ni IMG. Ito lang. You join, no? Join as a IMG member, you enjoy the membership benefit and you own. Meaning, you start building your solid financial foundation kasi Kaiser already addresses the 3 major financial needs, no? So meaning you join and own, you 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 become an associate, then you share this information. That's very simple, no? So you share the solutions, the concepts that we have, then you become an associate. And once you have 5 friends, automatic, no? May referral income ka. Hindi si IMG yung magbibigay ha, kasi hindi tayo networking. Hindi tayo maka-earn if somebody will join, no? If you join, si partner company ang magbigay ng referral income, no? In this case, si Kaiser. Okay? And that's very simple. Just join and own and share. Then you will earn part-time income. Ito, part-time income lang ito. And I know every one of us, many of us, no, needs part-time income, needs extra income. Ito na yon. Okay? You just share, you join and own and share and earn part-time income. So that's a very straightforward business platform here in IMG. So ask the person who invited you to explain further the very simple steps on how to join, own, para mabigyan ka ng guide, and together as an associate, maka-share ka na at maka-earn. Okay? So what would you do if you knew exactly how to win? Okay. Tonight's agenda was very straightforward. We have a lot of concepts and we have a lot of discussion about how to apply it. Okay? So what would you do? No? Meron ng business platform na binigay for you to earn extra. No? So what would you do if you knew exactly how to win? Okay? So it's time to take action. If nagustuhan mo tong presentation, itong session na to, invite your friends to attend our daily classes from 12:30 up to 9 o'clock or even 10 o'clock. Okay? And if hindi mo, part lang sa session na to na medyo hindi mo nakuha, attend ka uli. Okay? Tell your inviter, go back to inviter na bigyan ka ng mga schedules, mga links para ma-access mo ang mga session like this. Right? So, I leave you with this quote: financial independence is not just a dream, it's a decision to make. So it's up to you to really make a decision. Have a goal and take action para ma-achieve natin yung goals natin. Right? So I hope you had a great time. Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras. Okay? I hope I've shared very relevant information na magamit mo at pwede mo may share sa family mo. Right? So thank you, everyone, and have a great evening ahead. And God bless. Goodbye.